Hi there, my name is Wayan. I'm running a small boutique guest house which is located in Canggu. We are about 6 kilometers on the northern part of Seminyak, and it will take you about 2 minutes walking down from the house to the beach. It's called Berawa Beach, which is well known for a surfing spot. While you guys staying with us, I will be happy to show you around. We can visit temples, volcanoes, and even Balinese dances. So people choosing to stay with us because they would like to experience how to stay with a Balinese family. You can see my mom's doing offerings every day and my kids running around. And while you're staying with us, there might be some ceremonious happenings at the family temples or even around the village, and I will be happy to take you and involve with those ceremonies. So I'm really looking forward to have you guys staying with us and have all of those great experience. Thank you.